Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single sharp image that fits your screen. 1920 x 1080 or larger avoids pixelation. Once chosen, save it to a known folder like Pictures so you can find it fast. You should also decide whether you want the image to fill, fit, stretch, tile, or center. That choice determines cropping and scaling. Now proceed to your system's display or personalization settings. This is where you actually change the background, so make sure the file is ready. You open your system's personalization area. On Windows, go to Settings, then Personalization, then Background. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, then Desktop and Screensaver. Click Browse or the plus button to navigate to the folder and choose the image you saved. Once selected, pick the display mode such as Fill to cover the whole screen or center if you want margins. This preserves aspect ratio or forces cropping. After choosing, click Apply or Close. If you have multiple monitors, make sure you assign the image to You confirm the change by locking and unlocking or signing out to view the login and desktop states. Remember, some systems use separate images for lock screens that you may need to set. If the wallpaper appears blurry, choose a higher resolution file or switch from stretch to fill to preserve clarity. This fixes most scaling issues. If the new image doesn't appear, clear the desktop cache, restart the File Explorer, Windows, or log out and back in. That forces the system to reload and display the updated wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.